Hello friends! This setup is designed to store our green vegetables and crops separately for a long time. We can name it solar-powered cold storage and hot storage. These chambers are designed with moisture-proof and heat-resistant materials. Here we have used sun board. A 12-volt lead-acid battery is get charged by solar panels. This battery energizes a Peltier module. The cool side of the plate provides low temperature, just like a handy refrigerator. It maintains a cooling effect for storing green vegetables and fruits. There is also a backup for charging the battery at night or on a cloudy day. A 12-volt, 5-ampere SMPS is always kept ready to feed the energy from grid. Black painted metal plates are arranged inside the hot chamber. Crop bags are stacked in between the plates. During daytime, outside black metal plates absorb heat radiation from the sun and maintain a warmness for crop bags. This helps to maintain a fungus-free atmosphere. At night, outer plates are covered with insulation.